Hello friends, this is the next video of our Why series, Why Learning Algebra is Must for Every Child. If we see, our math learning starts from our childhood with the basic numbers, where we learn the subtraction, multiplication, division, addition, all these things. And suddenly, it starts converting into the letters, where we learn that all these algebraic expression like a 6x square plus 7x minus 3, and we start learning. So child thinks that I was very good in math, but unless they mixed all these alphabets into it. So the question comes, why we are going from this arithmetic, which is the numbers, to the letters, which is nothing but an algebra. So why these numbers to letters? Isn't the letter comes in language? Do we learn the language in math? So these are the questions comes in every child mind. Let's unravel this mystery. So we will take an example. Let's say this is your bedroom. So the bedroom has the dimension of 4 centimeter by 3 centimeter, and you would like to calculate the area to put the carpet on it. So the area will be what? Length times breadth. So 4 into 3 equal 12 centimeter square. But this is the bedroom of yours only. If this is the bedroom of somebody else, you can't do this calculation. So what we do, we assume that the length of this is x centimeter and the breadth is y centimeter. So if we calculate the area, it is again the same formula, length times breadth, and we get x by centimeter square. So what we are doing in these two examples, we are going from some specific case to the generic case. So what we are doing, we are going from numbers to the letters, and this is the difference between the arithmetic and the algebra. Now the question comes, why we learn that? So in order to understand, let's see our nature, because the nature is the master of algebra. One beautiful example is our honeybee. Let's learn the algebra from this legend, the honeybee. You will be surprising that honeybee crafts this wonderful home with the knowledge of algebra. Honeybee knows the algebra more than you actually. Let's see that. So if you see the first ring of the honeybee, it contains the one hexagon only. This is the hexagonal shape. The next ring which the honeybee makes contains the 6 rings. Total hexagon in the first ring is 6 plus 1, which is a 7. Now the third ring which a honeybee makes contains the 12 hexagons. So 12 plus 6 plus 1. So the total hexagon till third rings are 19. Similarly, if we calculate for the fourth ring, it will be 37 hexagon which the honeybee will make. Similarly, if we keep going, we get, this is the expression. This is we call algebraic expression. That means honeybee know this algebra. Honeybee know this formula. Based on this, she creates all these hexagon. Isn't it amazing? Can you beat in the math the honeybee? So we already know number of hexagon inside the first ring is 1. Number of hexagon inside the third ring is 19. Now, can you evaluate how much will be the number of hexagon inside 6th ring? How many hexagon honeybee will make? Come on, do it faster. Honeybee is also calculating. And it comes out to be 91. Okay, you want one more shot? Let's try. Number of hexagon inside 12th ring. You can utilize. This is forgiven to you. Good. This time it's a 397. You are correct. Now you are beating the honeybee in math. See? This is how the honeybee actually works. But is it the honeybee only who creates this? No. There are many other things. Flowers in the nature are also crafted based on the algebra. You see these petals? They are following certain pattern. If you see the sunflower, these spirals are also made by some pattern. They are following the algebraic expression, algebra. Another thing is, see, some more examples. So many different crafts in the nature are based on the algebra. They are following certain rules. They are based on algebraic rules. Now, the next question comes, okay, this is fine, but where we use algebra, nature is crafting, where we use. Let's understand that. Suppose you went to the vegetable supermarket and you would like to buy a banana. What the first question you will ask? What is the per kg banana price? So, let's say that price is P rupees per kg. It can be 20 rupees per kg, 50 rupees per kg, anything. I have assumed that is nothing but a P, some number. It can be anything, it can vary based on supermarket to supermarket. Now the next thing is you took certain number of bananas, so you measure in the kg. So you plan to purchase, let's say, X kg banana, 2 kg, 3 kg, 10 kg based on your requirement. Now, how much money you will pay to the supermarket? What you will do? You will basically do X times P. What you are actually doing here? See, this is the letters. You are doing algebraic expression. This is algebraic expression. You are doing the algebra here. It's a simple algebraic expression. Okay, so that means this kind of example we do every single day. We use the algebra everywhere around us. Only thing we don't realize we are using the algebra. Why to learn algebra? Because it is the way our nature is crafting many things in the universe. It is the way we mature from a specific case to generalization. It enables you to find the pattern around you. Otherwise, it will not be visible. It opens the door to be the part of emerging and latest technology. So, algebra is a stepping stone to learn about this wonderful universe that we live in. So, let's fall in the beauty of algebra. Thank you. Keep learning.